I'm feeling free with our bodies together as I breathe. I'm lighter than a feather when I'm with you all day, all night. Every moment so good, so good. Got something so sweet.
Yeah, Nay, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for loving me, and I will always be your naka-naka. Happy birthday, Nay Petit. Mwah.
Go down like a tree, night and morning. Maybe you're the one who I want to stay.
Happy 50th birthday, Nay Petit!
My mind is running crazy 'cause no one has made me feel this way. You do everything perfectly, and I want you to see that I appreciate you. I'm feeling free with all the.
Hi, Nay! Happy birthday sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa pag-invite. Pinagmotibo kaming lahat. So, kala ko talaga fellowship ngayon. So, birthday mo pala. I-enjoy mo yung day mo. Ang pinaka-importante, be healthy, Nay. Always. I love you.
Never met nobody who's like you.
Wish ko lang sa'yo na sana palagi na maging maganda pa ang kalusugan mo. At so ikaw na rin at ng family mo. Happy birthday to you, best! Bawas-bawas ang konti ng timpang para ma-achieve mo na yung iba na allowance na gusto mo mangyari sa buhay, ha? Happy birthday! I love you so much. Alam mo yan. We love you. Happy birthday!
Yeah, I think you're my one and only. I know it 'cause I dream about you. So tell me if you feel this, baby. My mind is running crazy 'cause no one has made me feel this.
Hi, Nay Petit! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best in the world and good health. Mag-ingat ka lagi. God bless you, Nay! Mama!
With all the
Happy birthday, anak Petit. Alam mo naman, isa sa aking mga favorite daughters. May you have more birthdays to come. Sa lahat ng mga achievements na tinatamasa mo ngayon, you will always be one of my favorite daughters. Take care and God bless. Mwah!
Happy birthday and thank you sa lahat. Sa lahat ng lahat ng suporta mo sa akin. Simula sa simula. Wish ko sa'yo ngayong birthday mo, yung 50th birthday mo. Good health lagi. And sana mag-ingat ka palagi kahit di mo ako kasama. And enjoy your day. Yun lang. Alam mo naman na kahit hindi ko sabihin sa'yo, mahal na mahal kita. Alam mo yan. At ayaw kong may makasakit sa'yo na kahit na sino. Happy birthday, Ting. I love you.
Make waves we unstoppable.
I wish you all the best and good health. Lagi mo sinasabi, good health. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal. Continue to be a generous person. Napaka-generous mo talaga. Thoughtful. I love you, Nay. Happy birthday!
Rise above, never fear the fall. Move mountains and
Mare, I
break
love you so
the
much. And lahat ng intimate na celebrations natin, dito natin gaganapin dahil this is the safest place at ikaw ang safest person. I love you, Petit. Happy birthday.
We defy gravity. We defy gravity. We can lift it higher, 'cause we got the
Happy birthday, Nay Petit. I love you!
fire. We defy.
Hi, Tita Petit. I just want to say na happy birthday. Thank you for being there with me and my family to our lowest times. And we're sure na andito po kami whenever you need us. And makaabot po kayo na hanggang 100. Naniniwala po ako dyan.
Hello everybody, this is Khaled Karen. Happy birthday to my Mama Petit Brokovich. I wish you the very best of health and the very best of life. I love you, Mama Petit. God bless you.
It doesn't matter what the world might say. We could do it anyway.
Stay humble always and keep your feet on the ground and always smile. S-M-I-L-E. See miracles in life every day. O, diba? I love you, Nay! Happy birthday!
Light as hell we rise and lift the
Brockovich, a.k.a. Claudine B. B as in baka. Ang laki-laki mo, hayop ka. Happy birthday sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita. Alam mo yan kung gaano kita kamahal at ilalaban kita kahit mataba ka. Okay? Love you, best!
Cause we got the power. Born out of the
Stay healthy, stay happy, at sana siya na yung tamang tao na hinahanap mo, friend. And at syempre marami pang show na gagawin natin. Basta mahal kita, alam mo yan. Kahit anong mangyari, kahit tumanda ka, magkasama pa rin tayo. I love you, Belen. Happy birthday.
Parang lahat naman nasa nila, di ba?
Kita naman sa katawan.
Lahat na nakain mo. Buti ka pa.
Happy birthday na. I love ka
Happy
namin.
birthday.
We love you.
Cause we got the power. Born